Hello students, today we'll study the 14th unit, that is the sky. So when you are playing in the playground, watch in the evening from the playground, you'll find some stars here and there. After some time when the sky becomes clear, you can see countless stars. Not only during these times but also during you can see the shooting stars during the rainy season, thunder, lightning and cyclonic winds, rains, etc. And it is common if there are any changes. So now we'll just go to what is about the sun and its family. So the sun and its family. The sun and its family is known as an solar system. It comprises of 8 planets, 173 satellites, thousands of asteroids, then meteoroids and comets. This is the whole sun's family. So what is the sun? We'll study here. The sun is the star. It is the closer to the earth than any other star. Therefore, it looks bigger and brighter than all other stars. So this is the future of sun. And next we'll go to the what is a planet. The planets, a celestial body orbiting around the sun along an elliptical orbit, is called a planet. What is an orbit? We'll study here. Every planet has its own path of movement. So as they rotate around in the solar system, so the part or the place or in which they move, that is called as an orbit. So every planet has its own path of movement, which is known as orbit. So now we'll just go and study what is an earth. So the earth, it is our home and it is an unique planet. Unique means different from others in the solar system. It occupies the third place from the sun, and it is the only planet of the solar system where there is a life. Means with example, where we are living. So we are living on the earth. So this is an unique planet that comparing to other planets, what the futures in the earth we are going to find, we are not finding in any other planet. So it is called as an unique planet, and also it is an occupies the third place from the sun, and it is the only planet of the solar system where there is a life. Because of this reason we are surviving on the earth, because it has an ideal conditions for life such as temperature, water and suitable atmosphere with life supporting gases. Not only these things where there is a life, without these things we do not have life. So such as temperature, water and suitable atmosphere with life for along with the supporting gases. For example, supporting gases means nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. These gases are the constituents of air. Because of this reason we are surviving on the earth. And you can look at this picture, sun and its family. So you can see this is called as a sun and its family, page number 184. Now we'll just go to the movement of the earth. The earth spins continuously on its axis from west to east, and this is called as an rotation. And the earth, it also revolves around the sun along its orbit, and this is called the revolution. You can see the difference between the pictures 185, the rotation and the revolution. Fine. This is the rotation and this is the revolution. So now we'll just go to how day and nights are caused. Or I'll just forward it in our next video, children. If you have any doubt, you please make a call and clear your doubts. Thank you.